Hi, this is Wasila Dahdool, and in this video I'll be demonstrating how you can manage data files using the Phenex annotation tool. Phenex uses the NeXML file format, which has been developed for evolutionary data. And this file format can save a character by taxon matrix and the associated entity quality annotations that you create using Phenex. You can go to the Phenescape wiki to download Phenex and also to download the NeXML plugin that I'll be describing later in this video. When you first start up Phenex, you'll be presented with a series of panels from which you can start to create characters. So, for example, we can type in some free text for the first character and its associated state. And then you can save the file by going to File, Save As, and giving your file a name such as that with .xml as the extension, and hit Save. Now, typically, rather than creating a file within Phenex, you will already have a Nexus formatted matrix that was created in another program such as Mesquite, and which you would want to open in Phenex. Nexus formatted matrices need to be converted to NeXML, and you can do this conversion using Mesquite. However, first we need to add a plugin to Mesquite that will allow you to save in the NeXML format. So to get that plugin, you can go to the Phenescape wiki and the Phenex page on the wiki, and if you scroll down to the section describing how to create, open, and save files, you can see the download link for the plugin. Once you've downloaded and saved the plugin to your computer, you can open up the folder. This is what it'll be called, an XML Mesquite plugin, and you'll see two subfolders within that download. And what you'll want to do is to copy over the contents of those two subfolders to the corresponding folders within the Mesquite application folder. So again, here you've got the plugin folder, and then you can open up another window if you're on a Mac and navigate over to the Mesquite folder in your applications directory. And within that folder, you'll see the Mesquite app, and you'll also see the same subfolders that you saw in your plugin. So you've got the Mesquite folder and the org folder. So first we'll go back over to the plugin, click on the Mesquite folder, select its contents, which is this NeXML folder, and drag it into the corresponding folder within the Mesquite directory. And I'm getting this warning message because I've already done this, but for you it should copy a new version of that folder into this location. And then we'll go back to the plugin folder, to the second subfolder, the org, and click on its contents and drag those contents into the corresponding org folder within the application. And again, I just get that warning message because I've done this before. So once you've copied the contents of these two folders to the Mesquite application, you can start up Mesquite. And here, and it should give you the option then to save or export to an XML file format. So I'll go ahead and open a Nexus file, which I've got here. And you can see here the taxa and the free text characters and states. And then I'll go over to File, Export, and I'll choose the last option, NeXML, taxa, matrices, trees, and annotations. Click OK. And you can see it adds the extension .xml, so I'll save it to this location. And from here I can go back to Phenex and open that file that I just saved from Mesquite, chang2004.xml. And when I do that, I'll see, again, the free text characters here and the associated states. And I can also see the matrix by going going here to the taxon configuration, it brings up a taxon panel that has the list of taxa, and a matrix panel which displays the zeros and ones and characters from the matrix. So this is the end of this video, and in a future recording I'll be demonstrating how you can create entity quality annotations using these character panels within Phenex.